Can dental implants replace all of my teeth? That's a great question. We like people to keep their teeth. We would rather see you keep all your teeth if possible. There are times, however, that's not feasible. Too much decay, serious gum disease, an accident, or whatever other reason. But yes, the nice thing about that is implants can replace all your teeth if that's your desire and you've got other complications. A good example would be this arch right here. We've placed 6 implants on this arch, and now we have a denture that secures to that, so a person can walk out, aesthetically be very pleasing, and have the palate completely open so they're able to have good taste and still be able to function and eat. And there's very little movement with this. It's very firm. You'll find that this is a good function for you in order to be able to enjoy your life.